Let's take a look at the numbers from earlier this afternoon. 100 degrees, another one in the books for San Antonio. That makes it 34 days this year we've hit 100 or hotter. And you'll see this entire month, nothing but triple-digit heat. I mean, the last 3 weeks, not much relief. This past Saturday, yesterday was 99, but just a degree cooler than the century mark. Back on the 6th and 7th, that's when we were at our coolest. If you can call that cool, that was when we were near average at 91 to 92. Now, when you take all these numbers and all these hundreds and you average them out, it's about 100.7, which does mark the second hottest July on record since the 1880s, since we've been keeping track of these numbers. The hottest July on record was actually last year at 101.6. So we're near that. We will likely not eclipse that. But the fact that we're in the top 5 and it's the second hottest on record, it's pretty incredible. Not much changes for tomorrow and the foreseeable future. Heat advisories in effect for tonight and tomorrow as well. For San Antonio, surrounding counties, Medina County, towards Kendall County, and towards Austin and Hays County, that's where they're underneath excessive heat warnings towards central Texas and up I-35, where they're expecting air temperatures above 103 to 105 tomorrow. Meantime, southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour, 100 at Timberwood Park. Same thing at in the city, right? 101 at Seguin, 101 at Lavernia. Same thing at Stockdale, Floresville, 99 at Hondo. It's hot, bottom line. The hottest spot on the map is probably Gonzales and Carrizo Springs, which their air temperature, the thermometer is picking up 102 at this hour. Tonight's forecast looking pretty good, just on the hot side, 98 until about 8 o'clock tonight. And then temperatures will slip into the 80s, not until probably 10, 11 p.m. this evening. And then by the overnight hours, we're looking at upper 70s here in San Antonio and across the region. So the dust forecast, great news. It's all moving out thanks to high pressure. It does provide a lot of heat, but thankfully where it's positioned, it starts to disperse all the dust that was in our air the last several days. And in the meantime, our skies stay clear in the foreseeable future. Tomorrow's forecast, 103, southeast winds 5 to 10 tomorrow. And otherwise a very hot, dangerously hot day. Please limit time outdoors, drink plenty of water, find shade when you can, and take breaks, especially if you're working in this kind of heat, because it's not going anywhere. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, it moves right overhead. What that's going to do is suppress any chance for rain, any cloud cover to try and bubble up. It's almost a cap of warm air at the aloft, and what that will do is effectively shut down any chance for rain. By Friday and Saturday next weekend, it shows signs of splitting and weakening. However, we'll see if that plays out. In the meantime, you'll see high pressure just redirecting any chance for rain around this high. And notice not much in the forecast for San Antonio. We are in that bubble where rain is just in short supply here in the area. Very quickly, the tropics a little active. We have 2 waves off the Atlantic Ocean, and you can see one of which has a high chance of development. If they were named, Franklin and Emily is next on the list. 7-day forecast, 103 tomorrow, 104 on Tuesday, likely prompting heat advisories and heat warnings for the next 7 days. Please be careful. Again, drink plenty of water, find shade, and take breaks when you can, Phil, because this is some dangerous heat we're going through.
Yeah, no joke. Thank you, Ryan.